If you're looking to elevate your everyday cooking game, start with the Matsato chef knife. This Japanese-style 5.8-inch blade is built for precision and comfort, with an ergonomic oak wood handle and a balanced profile that gives you excellent control, whether you're slicing onions or carving at a campsite. It's compact, easy to handle, and perfect for home cooking, barbecues, or even outdoor adventures. Ready to feel the difference in every slice? You can check out the Matsato via the link in the description. Next up is the Brewin CHEFILOSOPHI 5-piece Japanese knife set, a complete kitchen arsenal wrapped in elegance. It includes a chef's knife, santoku, paring, utility, and slicing knife, all forged from high-carbon stainless steel for razor-sharp performance. The red Paca-wood handles aren't just stunning, they're ergonomic too. Whether you're prepping meals daily or entertaining guests, this set adds pro-level sharpness and style to any kitchen. If you're after performance and aesthetics in one box, tap the link to bring home the full set. Then we've got the Amazon Basics Classic 8-inch chef's knife, your trusty all-purpose blade that doesn't break the bank. With a full tang design, triple riveted handle, and a high-carbon stainless steel blade, it's ideal for beginners or anyone wanting a reliable backup knife. It feels solid, slices smoothly, and is surprisingly well-balanced for its price point. If you need a dependable daily driver in the kitchen, this one's worth a serious look. Check it out below. The PAUDIN 8-inch chef knife is a true kitchen multitasker. Forged from high-carbon stainless steel, it offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The blade is hand-polished to a razor-sharp 14 to 16-degree angle per side, making it ideal for slicing, dicing, mincing, and chopping everything from meats to vegetables. The ergonomic Paca-wood handle provides a comfortable, balanced grip, while the waved pattern on the blade adds a stylish touch. And finally, the HENCKELS Solution 4-inch compact chef knife is a master of precision. This German-engineered blade is perfect for smaller ingredients like herbs, garlic, or berries, anything that needs finesse. It's super lightweight, ultra-sharp, and even dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. If your main knife feels bulky for fine details, this compact companion is just what your knife drawer needs. You can find the link to it in the description. From compact carvers to full Japanese-style sets, these knives bring sharper cuts and smoother meals to every kitchen. Whether you're cooking for two or plating like a pro, the right blade makes all the difference. Hit like if one of these caught your eye, subscribe for more kitchen gear pics, and drop a comment below. What's your dream kitchen setup missing right now? Let's talk knives, cooking, and everything in between.